So we are going to go ahead and finish this foldable. It should already be in your journal. So this is the level 2 part, and we are just talking about the circle graph. So a circle graph is a circle that represents different parts. So these are made up as percentages. So a circle graph shows how parts of the data are related to the whole and to each other. So notice if we were to add all of these up, we should get 100%, which is the whole. So each part represents a certain percentage. And percentage, remember, you can write it as 13% out of 100, and that could be the fraction. 37 out of 100. So let's answer these questions. Which genre of movie is most popular? So to figure out which one's most popular, you would look at the one with the biggest percentage, and that would be comedy. Be sure you're paying attention, Asher. So let's go ahead and look. So Jose, are you listening to me? Which two genres account for half of the population of those surveyed? So what would half be? What percentage would half be? Half would equal 50%. So do any of these add together to get 50%? Well, it looks like I could do 30 and 20. What's 30% plus 20%? That's 50%. So we can write action, and horror make up 50%. And then what else could make up 50%? Well, look at this line actually down the middle. That might help us out too. 37 and 13. So if I had 37 plus 13, 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry the 1. 3, 4, 5, 50. So that means also that comedy and fiction make up 50%. So I have two that would add up to equal 50%. Okay, so the next question is, do horror and fiction movies make up more or less of the surveyed population than comedy? So horror and fiction, so we need to look at those two. So horror and fiction, if I add those together, let's go ahead and do that. So horror is 20, fiction is 13. So if I add those together, I get 33. Is that more or less than comedy? And we need to justify. So it looks like horror and fiction is less than comedy. Because horror and fiction have 33% of the total. Okay, so this is your circle graph. So hopefully that helps you out. Y'all have a good one. I want to have a shout out to Paulina and Connor. Y'all been doing an awesome job lately. See y'all later.